Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak rub. Crafting your own steak rub is incredibly simple and elevates any cut of beef. We begin with fundamental ingredients that form the backbone of a great rub. Think coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper as your foundation. Then, we introduce aromatic elements like garlic powder and onion powder for that savory depth. Finally, a hint of paprika or cayenne pepper adds a delightful warmth, creating a truly balanced flavor profile for your steak. To truly elevate your steak rub, consider adding a few extra ingredients. Dried herbs like thyme, rosemary, or oregano introduce wonderful aromatic complexity. For a fantastic crust and a touch of sweetness, a small amount of brown sugar or even finely ground coffee can work wonders. If you desire a richer, more intense smoky flavor, swapping regular paprika for smoked paprika is an excellent choice. These additions transform a good rub into an unforgettable one. Once you have gathered all your chosen spices, the next step is simple mixing. Combine everything thoroughly in a small bowl, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed. For optimal freshness and flavor, store your freshly made steak rub in an airtight container. A glass jar with a tight-fitting lid works perfectly. Keep it in a cool, dark pantry, and your delicious homemade rub will remain potent and ready to use for up to 6 months, ensuring consistent quality. Proper application is key to maximizing your rub's impact. Always begin by patting your steak completely dry with paper towels. This helps the rub adhere better. A good rule of thumb is to use approximately 1 tablespoon of rub for every 1 pound of steak, ensuring even coverage on all sides. After applying, let the seasoned meat rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature before cooking. This allows the flavors to penetrate, resulting in a more delicious steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.